The Wixom man, convicted of terrorism for 23 shootings on the Interstate 96 corridor in October 2012, was sentenced to a total of 18 to 40 years in prison. Raulie Casteel chose not to speak in court Thursday, but his attorney questioned whether the Michigan legislature intended the terrorism statute to fit someone who is mentally ill like his client.
The question has to come up. Is Raulie Casteel actually a terrorist? Is this really what the legislature had in mind when it passed the Michigan Anti-Terrorism Act in the wake of the 9/11 attacks in 2001? I don't think so. I think that they were thinking of Osama bin Laden, Timothy McVeigh. Did Raulie Casteel fit into that category? I don't think so. I think the post-9/11 law that was passed by the Michigan Anti-Terrorism, by the legislature, the Anti-Terrorism Act, did not contemplate someone who was mentally ill like Mr. Casteel.
The argument is that somehow mental illness affected or caused him to do these type of actions. The fact that he had to reload and continue the shooting on M52. The fact that he knew that there were people driving the cars, he knew what a bullet could do to them, he knew he could kill people, and he continued to do the shooting anyway.
Livingston County Chief Circuit Judge David Reeder said the widespread effects Casteel's shootings had were indeed terrorism. And although Casteel has a mental diagnosis and believed the government was somehow out to get him, there was nothing to indicate that Casteel was delusional in his use of deadly force or the possible outcome of what that could be.